Welcome back TechWell family. Today we are going to see about one of the concept in order by class. Let's see. So the question is, can order by class ignore case? So we can see what is exactly doing by order by class. So now I am going to create a table test and that table containing name column that is having varchar. So table created and I am going to insert the values, capital A letters and capital B letters, capital C. Now I'm going to insert a small a, small b, small c, and small t. Now I'm going to use select statement using order by class. So let's see what is the output for this. So see, now capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and small a, small b, small c. Now I am used order by name, but normally order by class doing ascending order or descending order. So now why capital A is coming first and small a coming last, we can see because of ASCII value. We can check the ASCII value for capital A and capital small a in dual table. We can see what is the difference. So capital A, it's showing 65 and small a, the ASCII value is 97. That's why it's sorting based on the ASCII value if same letter is coming. So the answer is, for ASCII value of A is more than ASCII value of capital A. So normally it is taking ascending order. So it is taking capital A is coming for first and small a is coming for last. This is the answer. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel. Please comment if you have any query or concept related doubts. Thank you all. Bye.